So we're gonna start by locating the screw for our oil holding tank and our oil filter, which for my car is that white thing right here. And the screw is right here. If you're not sure where yours is, look it up or look at your manual.
Okay. Right. Oh, okay, go.
Changing my oil, so you believe me. Okay. Left. Right. Yeah.
Lefty loosey right there.
It's fucking tight.
That's right.
That's right. What the hell?
Get in
It
there.
was much easier when I had a card up, but it's okay. I'll get it. Oh, you know what? I should get goggles.
For what?
Cause what if it sprays in my eye?
It's just gonna drip out. And
Okay.
you just do it slowly. It's not gonna immediately do it. There you go. Come on. Come on.
I'm just so nervous. I'm gonna
No.
get goggles. I'm gonna get goggles.
You got it.
Safety
Yep.
first.
MAN.
Oh my god. It's okay. It's great.
You need help?
Oh my gosh. You know that I had to bring Hannah in because it was too tough to do it myself. Hannah in action.
You sure this is the bowl?
Yeah. I'm positive it's that one.
Okay. That's some better rubber.
Yeah.
When's the last time you changed your oil?
I think Joe across the country.
You might need an MAN out here.
That's...
Oh gosh. This thing is on there.
Yeah. Last time I took it off, my friend, he was an MAN, he did it.
Oh gosh.
Come on, Hannah, you have muscles. You have more muscles
for
than
like
me.
4 hours. I'm so tired.
Push, 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 Hannah, push.
Oh gosh.
We sound like we're giving birth out here.
Yo, this is stupid. This is stupid on here. What the? What's happening?
It's rusty as hell, too.
Need some WD-40 on this bitch.
You want me to get it?
No, I was joking. I won't do anything.
Oh.
You see an MAN.
Okay, let me go get
Go
some.
grab
I
it.
hit the car trying to do it. I'll show you.
Try not to choke on
When
my
I
cookie.
freaking couldn't do it, I like.
Unfortunately, we had to bring a MAN on the scene. We couldn't do it ourselves. Boo!
Hey.
Who's that? Who's her friend? What's up, friend?
So here's a trick.
I'm just kidding.
It's like a wrench.
Put some under the. Bro,
There's gonna be time seals.
Did you fuck your hand
I was,
That is on there.
There's still a little hot in there since burning. I put the like.
What year is this?
Dang, you're bending the wrench.
Fuck!
Yeah, it's a.
What year is this?
Okay, anyway.
It is 2007.
Get a hammer. When was the last time the oil change happened?
In Yorktown.
Ah! Gotcha, bitch!
That's not as painful.
Huzzah!
That's
Who
who got who.
Let me see it a little bit, didn't you?
Oh, are you good?
Yep.
Ah, gotcha, bitch.
I think I broke the ratchet a little bit.
Oh my god.
Yeah, I think you broke
Good
it.
job, okay, well, my buddies.
I've done this once or twice.
Some of them are welding. Last time someone bolted his exhaust on, they like welded the next one.
I love this. I love when it falls out. Mm.
Are you gonna film it?
Yeah. I love the waterfall. First time I saw it, I was amazed. Okay, everyone, here it comes.
This man had bolts that like they knocked out impact. They're like a pull. How did what happened? Couldn't do anything. We had to like rip shit off. Well,
I like bruised my palm.
Thank you.
Fuck. Oh, Trini. I'm melting.
drain.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
And now just let it drain. Okay, oil stopped draining. So now you locate the filter, which is right here. And next, that's what you're going to take off. You're going to take off the oil filter. So what I'm going to do is, let me move this nasty thing. I'm going to move this rag. Move this because the oil filter is also going to have a lot of oil spilling out. Make sure though that you have your new oil filter ready. This is the one my car uses. I have a 2007 Ford Focus. Dun, dun. And this right here is the old one, which we're gonna replace. I'll be back with a new video. Hey, wait, I might need your help.
What's up?
Give me 1 sec. Let me try first. Ew, it's so nasty.
That's what she said.
Ugh. Ha! Got him.
What's up?
Fuck, I can't take it off. The oil filter. Them nails
yeah.
though, I did it myself.
Fight.
Did
Turn
it
it on
myself.
really hand tight.
Okay, wait guys. My coworker's gonna take it off.
Wait, what?
I'm talking to the video.
Is it talking back or?
No, I'm talking to the fake audience. Okay, try to take it off for me, please.
Ugh.
It's so tight, so you might have to get in. Wait, do you want to use this or no?
No, I'm good. These are my workout clothes, anyways.
Okay, he's gonna try to take it off for me because you have to screw it on really hand tight.
Who are you talking to?
To the video.
Who's watching?
I'm gonna send it to my mom, my family, and people. Had to bring in another MAN. Oh no. You don't even come out. This literally. I thought I didn't need no man. Who's the mysterious worker? Yeah, there we go.
Ugh.
I'll do the rest. You can leave it like that so you won't get dirty.
Okay.
Yeah, I'll do the rest.
Is that your friend that called me Mission Sophia?
No, it's not. Can you hear me? Are you frozen? Oh, you're frozen.
Thank you.
No problem.
Ugh. Looks like mole. You know what that is?
Yeah.
Okay, I was really shocked that my white friend Luke knew what mole was. I'm impressed, Luke. Ooh, it's warm. Okay, guys, I'm taking the filter off completely. It has so much oil in it. So much. Ew! Oh my god! I dropped the filter in the oil.
It's okay.
It's not supposed to
No,
happen.
just leave it in there. It doesn't matter. It's the old one.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, it doesn't fucking matter. Here.
Sweet.
Yeah, just
Cool.
put it right down. Wipe yourself up. Just let it drain. There you go.
There we go. All right. Let that drain a little bit.
I can do it.
Done with that. Okay, next you're gonna replace the filter. And what you're gonna do is lubricate this O-ring with your new oil before you put it on.
You got a new one, too.
Huh? All right. Clean oil, clean. Okay, so
Should be a YouTube star.
I'm just gonna take a little bit of this new oil and I'm gonna lubricate the O-ring like this. It's just good to lubricate your sealants. I wish I had like some tripod. I need to invest in something because I'm literally holding it with my hand. I actually just ordered a tripod today. Yes. Can't get them nails dirty. Just kidding, it's regular polish. I don't care if it gets dirty. Also, a trick my friend taught me is to add, oh shit, oh fuck. Oops, I've spilled a little. Let's see, where can I place it? Okay, I'm going to add just a tiny bit.
Nice.
We have funnels.
We do have funnels. I don't know why the hell I'm doing it this way. Yeah, this could go a lot smoother, but this is only my second time changing my oil, and this time my friend who taught me is not here with me. Thank you.
You want to hold it while I do it?
No, I just remembered my friend taught me to clean this. If you're gonna use a funnel, always clean it out first because it could have dirt and you don't want that in your oil. Bad. New oil, bad. Okay. Just a little bit. That's fine. Just gonna put a little bit in there and now I'm gonna put it in. Let's see. We're gonna get a view angle. Okay, Hannah's gonna record. Alright. Still dripping. Okay. Okay, we finally found where you put the oil in. Your car manual has anything anyway, so you put it in right here. Well, this is for my car. And then, oh, also my car only takes 4.5 quarts. So here it measures it. I'm literally gonna put all of that that's left. Most of that.
Getting the angles.
How much do I have left? Still have 2.5 quarts left to go. How come there's 2 4.5 though? Oh, quart. Okay.
Yeah, pretty much all of it.
Because I started around right here.
Yeah.
So that's
that's
good.
fine.
Okay, and then you just put the cap on and you're done. Thank you, Hannah.
You gotta run it for a little bit too.
Oh, you want me to run it?